cut out, they're gonna look something like this. And we wanna get them into more of a 3D shape. And so we fold all of our pieces in half, and we're gonna sew around the outside. And so when we do that, it's gonna look something like this. We sew all of our pieces inside out in order to hide the seams, but we want our pieces to be right side out. So to do that, we use this machine over here. It's called an inversion converter. We're gonna put the piece on just like that. This is gonna come down with a puff of air and flip it right side out. Just like that, all of our pieces get flipped right side out. Super easy, so we don't have to do it by hand. So once we have our pieces flipped around, they're gonna look something like this. Each of the limbs is gonna get stuffed individually to make them nice and squishy. And then the piece is gonna get a little joint put on the inside just like that. And so with the joint, the limbs are gonna look like this. So in order to put the bears together, the body of the bear has little holes inside of it. So we're gonna stick the little joint inside of the hole. And to lock it all in place, we have these guys right here. These are called washers. They're gonna go over top the little joint. Then we have a lock that goes over top that. We use this machine over here with the foot pedal to snap it all into place. And so that is how our bears are able to have their limbs spin all the way around, because they have the nice joint and the circular washers. And so all of the bear's eyeballs use that same locking mechanism. We have 4 different eye colors here at Vermont Teddy Bear. We have brown, blue, green, and hazel. And so all of the eyes of the bears are gonna say Vermont Teddy Bear Company on the inside of them. The ones that are made here in the factories, that's gonna be all of our jointed bears, will say born in Vermont, because they're made here in Vermont. And all of the plush bears are actually made overseas, so they're just gonna say Vermont Teddy Bear Company. And so once the bear has all of its limbs and its eyes, we will stuff the body with stuffing and then sew up the back with this stitch right here. It's called the ladder stitch because it kind of looks like a ladder once it is all sewn together. Alright, so we're going to scooch down a little bit more and talk about stuffing the bears.